Stop making dry, tough steak and rubbery eggs. You're just a few simple steps away from the best steak and eggs you've ever tasted, even if you've never cooked steak before. Today, we're transforming your breakfast or brunch into a 5-star meal. I'm going to show you how to achieve that perfect crispy crust on your steak, those luscious, runny yolks, and a flavor combination that will have you rethinking what's possible at home. Many people struggle with getting that ideal sear or end up with overcooked eggs, but trust me, it's easier than you think. The secret starts with a hot pan and the right cut of steak. Think thinly sliced sirloin or ribeye. Season aggressively with salt and pepper right before it hits the pan. This isn't the time to be shy. Get your skillet smoking hot with a high smoke point oil, then lay down your steak. Don't touch it. Let it form that incredible, dark crust for about 2 minutes per side. Then, toss in a generous knob of butter and a few garlic cloves to baste, spooning that golden goodness over the steak. For your eggs, crack them into the same flavorful pan right after the steak comes out to rest. The residual heat and browned bits will infuse them with unbelievable taste, creating those perfectly set whites and a glorious, runny yolk ready to mingle with your juicy steak. This symphony of textures and flavors is what elevates a simple dish into something truly extraordinary. So, ditch the bland breakfast routine and treat yourself. For more mouth-watering meals, click on this next video.